Just a little bit of paint overspray holding that back. So, no big deal. It's now in the proper orientation. So now the screws go in. I got neighbors that are just loud and obnoxious. Doggone local laws and ordinance, you just can't shoot them with a shotgun and bury them. But you can always hope. There we go. There's one stop, here's the other stop. Spring goes to the first piece on here. Oh. Let me see if I can reach around and get those parts. I'll catch you in a minute. I got this piece in here. Just got it fitted and put the spring back in place, but I'll show it to you. It has a certain range of movement, and that moves the blade guard. Now these are the lower part of the ramps for the infeed table, and that's how the height is adjusted. Good. These you can snug up. They aren't the adjustment. Okay. Then you take the second part of the ramp and you put it in place. You should just slide right on down, and it should be happy just about like that. And you press these up to take the slack out. Let's go tighten it up a little further. I think it went the wrong way. And you gotta push them forward. I do want them tight because I don't want it rattling. Yeah, it's better. And do the same to the other side. We'll give it a little dose of oil. And we're ready for the front. Oops. Sorry about that. I'm working in the cramped garage space right now on the fab table, and it's taking up the entire middle of the floor. grab some more hardware. From the illustrious hardware box. Please don't push on that.
Okay.
Yeah. What I hate about rental properties. Okay. See a little oil on these to start with. Okay. That was good. So now we're going to turn the joiner upside down again. Get out a little bit more grease and a few more of them little hemispherical washers, and we're going to stick on the infeed table. Okay. It's time to stick 3 more of these little hemispherical washers in place. One goes here. One goes there. And last but not least, right here. Please excuse me as I flip the joiner over and set the infeed table under it. And I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, now I'm just putting in the 3 bolts. Okay. Let me lift this up and make sure that everything is in place. Yep, looks like all the hemispherical washers are where they're supposed to be. Hopefully the natives have quieted down a little bit.